This is what we got on your roof.
Very hard to see.
You want to move? Here, let's move under here then. I see that the black thing appears to be the only thing.
Well, that's the bathroom window. So, and the dryer's right next to the bathroom, so it should be that vent right there. Because that's the bathroom window right there, the one in the middle.
And I need to go look. I need to look down a little bit. Oh, wait. See, here's a little vent. See that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna record.
So there's right off to the right of that
Yeah.
window should be the vent.
That's it.
At least the solar panels are clean.
Yeah. I don't want to crash into them.
I know.
This other thing is... Oh, yeah, that's right. Angle up and down. So it's going down. This is looking up a little bit.
Can you see the vent from the side? See if any of the screens are clogged?
I really can't get in that close. I'm really afraid of...
Yeah, keep away from the trees. And I don't think you want to land on the roof for a picture.
No, I can't. I get a little bit of a vent. I really don't see anything that's...
Well, we got that new screen catcher in place, so that should Steve right over the trees. That's one way to trim the trees.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna bring it back.
Yeah. Before some Karen freaks out. The Martians are landing. The Martians are landing. Welcome to Earth, Earthling.
There we go.